All right, well, we're here today at Sportsman's Warehouse. Don't even ask me what's in there. All I know is that the other day my dad was like, hey, new Sportsman's Warehouse opened. And I was like,
what is that?
Is there anything we can skate in there? And he was like, probably. And I was like, huh. We're going skate everything more style. Today it is Nigel, the camo genius, versus Fetty. Did you know where we were going today?
I had no idea.
The fact that he wore camo to go to Sportsman's Warehouse is completely coincidental. That's what you're telling me.
Yeah.
For those of you who don't know, we go in there in teams of 2. I'm gonna be with Nigel today, and Aussie's gonna be with Fetty. We're gonna go in there and see if they can pick a skateboard for the opposing player for under $75, and then they're gonna play a game of skate on it afterwards.
Oh man.
We're gonna go in there, and there's gonna be a camo section. I'm gonna lose Nigel forever.
You think we're gonna get kicked out?
We're about to find out. Golden duck.
Golden ducks?
So we have a bunch of golden ducks hidden around the store, and if you find all of them, you
Oh.
get a chance to win a $300 gift card.
Whoa.
Oh,
No
yes.
way.
You guys can each play.
What do we write?
So this adds to everything right now. Not only do we have to find something, we have to find these. Find these.
On the mission
plus
for
find
the
something.
golden ducks.
Oh, this is gonna be intense.
And what do we write?
This is the greatest store ever. Can I live here?
There's a code
Wow.
word.
Yeah, so here, let me show you guys where it is.
Does the code word say
There's one
under
for
the
you.
duck?
Yeah.
Ah.
I've never been more excited.
This
to be in a
is so
store.
cool.
Code word
Oh.
for the camping one is win.
Jeez.
Win.
I got the
Alright.
first one.
That's
win.
camping.
Put win in there.
Dude, I am in heaven right now. You have no idea.
5 seconds before we walked in, our initial fear was getting kicked out. And then
No.
we get in here and they're like, yo, you want to go on our duck hunt?
Yeah. I need a kayak, actually.
Hey, what's up, girl? You kayak? What is this?
It's a canoe.
That is not a canoe.
No, it's a-
That is an American 12 is what it's called. This
I'm
store
looking
is
for stuff, and I'm
crazy.
also looking for this fish. I mean, not fish, duck.
Did
What am I
you just
talking-
call it? It's a
I don't
duck,
know.
Nigel. It is not a fish. Man, this store's really got me lured in. I wish we could.
I found it.
What did you find? Oh, duck. Nigel? Nigel? Oh, there you are. Whew.
There's one in archery. Hold on.
There it is. There it is. Eyes of a hawk.
No way.
They have Tim Tebow's twin brother. This is legitimately the sickest store I've ever been in my life. Nigel. Nigel.
Let's do this. Have you seen anything to skate yet?
Yeah, gold ducks.
This is the best store ever. So is that the last one?
Yeah. Record time.
We have to beat them, right?
Yeah.
I've never seen you walk this fast.
I've never walked this fast in my life. Yeah. We were first. Hi, thank you.
So you could get him this duck.
I know we tried that, but see, they're on the weird thingies.
Ah, that's right.
Hunting is not the way. I don't remember what store. Oh, we were in Bass Pro Shop. We almost got a seat.
What is that?
A buoy? Is that what these are? No, these are fenders. What's a buoy? Wow, look at this. They got fun games.
Whoa. Well, look at these games.
Wow. Oh, we need this.
Actually, that's
Rocket League
probably.
2.0.
Is that the same size? No, that's like perfect size. It's a little bit bigger. Actually, yeah. Hang on to that.
What's a skyboard?
Whoa. Oh no. All right, we need to buy this too. Do we show this to Gabe and tell him that we have to skate this?
Yeah, but that's not like what we're picking, you know.
No.
That's the best tour ever.
This is actually incredible.
I'm glad that I'm broke right now, so I don't spend a lot of money. What can we get Fetty to skate? There's so much here.
We found it perfect for Rocket League 2.0 since our other ball popped,
We
and
also just found this.
we have to skate that.
Get a cart.
Yes.
You found another one? Ah. Wait, hey, look at this guy's style. Tell me he doesn't dress like Lance.
And last but not...
Nigel, stop disappearing. This store is infinitely more cool than Bass Pro
Oh,
Shop.
100%.
Skate a gold pan? Look at.
It just looks like a normal dish.
I got food too? Is this the first ever Skate Everything Wars with a cart?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright. Wow, this is a big cart. What is that?
What are you gonna catch with that?
A shark. Why isn't there a feel option?
$35.
It looks like it's wood.
Yeah, but it looks like it could also be like,
Squishy?
yeah.
We got a winner. Well, we're done.
All right.
This.
Hey, look, does that look familiar?
Oh, it's Tim Tebow.
How did it get here?
Tim Tebow. Your buddy, he's with his buddies.
Whoa.
Yo, we need this. But can you imagine this with Rocket League?
Can you imagine this up the vert wall?
You imagine this just in the barrel house?
I don't know how long that would last.
I don't know how long I would last.
Hey, Nigel.
Wrong guy.
Nigel. No.
He doesn't even have a nose.
That he would be so bummed if we made him skate one of these. $59. And that thing is not breaking.
I just want to throw it.
They even have sleeping bags.
You're infinitely creepy right now.
Oh my goodness.
Here's Johnny. There's just so much. It's an infinite amount of stuff.
I still think we need to skate a full-size barbecue somehow, but they're just kind of expensive. Dude, $99? Should we skate one of these? The blue one?
Yeah.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Hold up. We need to find Daniel. Hey. Come fast.
We're done, by the way.
Yeah.
We're not. 99 freaking dollars.
Whoa.
Are you kidding me? We are getting this.
But is this not the best store ever?
This is literally the best store I've ever been into in my entire
Freddy has
life.
said that about 30 times.
Fed, you like it in here?
Yes.
Alright, we'll hurry up.
Well, yeah, I'll find something. He got a really good one.
What do you get?
I think it's like a shark lure,
We should get an airsoft gun to make him
Polarizer?
skate.
right?
That would be kind of funny.
This store is
This
amazing.
store is unbelievable. They even have a puppy section. $69.99. Is it metal or is it plastic? Is it gonna break?
No. It's pretty solid.
I mean, I'm down. We can try it. I feel like I influenced your decision too much. Are you sure that's okay?
That's 100% positive.
Hey, should we get some BBs to shoot with?
Yes, we should.
Let's go get the boat. Comes with paddles. How do you think we're gonna fit this in my car? We'll buy it now. Worry about that later.
Yeah.
I love my job. I kid you not, guys. This smashes on Dick's. This smashes on Bass Pro Shop.
Oh, yeah.
Smashes on every store we've been to.
Also,
Seriously.
We walk in with cameras, and instead of going, hey, don't film, they're like, do you want to find some ducks?
I know. Home sweet home. Don't tell us yet. Don't tell us yet.
315.
This all comes out to $325.
Oh, close.
Can you guess what we're doing with all this stuff?
Wait.
Well, besides the popcorn.
Road tripping somewhere.
Nope. We're making all of this into a skateboard.
Good luck with that. I really want to see how that goes.
We've gotten pretty good at it. I'm now on the phone with you trying to carry this boat to my car. Bye-bye. My dad. My dad is the reason we found this store.
Thank you to Gabe's dad.
Oh,
Gabe,
no.
you lost your oar.
It has a handle for mall grabbing. Now we just make sure we don't break this. How do we do this? Oh!
Wait, yeah, how is this?
I don't know, but we already bought it, so.
Hey, Gabe. This is yours.
Oh,
You got
I
it.
forgot about my loyalty card, Daniel. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
See, okay, why aren't more stores like this where they're just okay with filming?
Oh, she literally came out here to give me my loyalty
Yeah.
card.
brother.
Look at this.
Yeah, where do I sit? Look at this.
You just have to sit in the middle seat. We're here. I am in a great mood. That was literally the best thing
This
we've
is so
ever
fun.
done.
I want to go back already.
Fetty, stop playing footsie with me, man. Come on, we're on camera. Jeez. Both of you guys. Oh, this is the kind of day it's gonna be.
Both of you guys.
All right, well, we got a lot of stuff to do, so you guys get going. We need to do everything in our power not to break this thing.
We need to do everything in our power not to break this thing.
Wait. Hold up. Quiet.
How's it going over there?
In the world? How do you load it? I just need everyone to know that we're all wearing safety goggles. We're not aiming it at anyone. That's the first thing. We are being safe with this thing. Although we are going to skate it after it's not going to be loaded or anything. So that needs to be said now. Hey, something fishy's going on here. We really got the audience hooked.
Uh-oh. Smells like chemicals.
Yeah, I'm not breathing that in.
Now it's on safety. Now it's on fire.
Let's go shoot it. Do you think it'll go through the wall?
Maybe.
Oh, right there. No.
Oh my god!
No, it didn't.
It went through there too?
Oh well. They go through the box and then through the actual wood. The walls stand no chance.
Right in the middle.
Oh my god! You shot the wall!
Hey, it did go through.
For science, okay? We gotta see if it's strong enough to go through both walls.
If this survives, I'm taking it home. I hope you know this. All right, Frederick. Send her.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! Yo!
That's a good one right there. Still works.
If it still works with trucks on it, I'll be more impressed. Oh no.
Man, that fish is really up to scale. That's sick, dude. I'm actually really happy on this. Whoever wins this game, I just hope there's no recoil.
Did you just shoot your shot at me right now?
Mm-hmm. Did it work?
No.
My aim was a little off.
Whoa. Yeah, I want to try some of that.
That's nice.
I was gonna complain about the long build, but I realized it was my fault. I asked him to build it all nice.
The angle's all awkward, so I have to bend these. Yep, still fires.
Y'all ready to do this?
Y'all ready for this?
Show this off, Nigel. Show this
I
off.
only had one concern, but I think we'll be all right, which is if I step off one of these, just being like this and going right through my foot.
I think you should just try not to step on it at all costs. And Fetty, how's yours?
I wrote it, I'm not gonna lie, it's solid.
Is it?
It's so solid.
See, I told you. No, we've been making the mistake the last few times of just lazily drilling into things, and it's made it harder in the long run. So I think if you just take the extra 10 minutes to actually put the hardware through, then it'll be worth it.
All right, so Rochambeau, Carlos, you're going to be reffing today? Judge, are you even watching?
Yes.
Now he, why?
You're better than that, Nigel. That's why.
No! 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 Are you kidding me?
It's hollow on the inside.
By the way, the back wheels didn't even come off the ground.
I'm happy I didn't try and go down something.
Are you?
Wait, that means Nigel wins.
After all that time.
That's so upsetting.
Fetty, I'm sorry.
That's whatever. I've played enough of these. I don't care.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very fun. Subscribe, like,
on
and
this still.
I know.
Oh! Oh my God! Whoa!
Got it.
You could call that a running gun.
Still works.
Ow! I don't understand why these guys took off their safety glasses.
Hey, good job, ref.
Quit sleeping on the job.
Oh!
All right, we're going right here.
Beauty at its finest.
Woo!
I think it's pretty safe to say that Fetty clipped it right there.
He didn't clip it, he magazined it.
Ow! So all you have to do is make it past the flat.
I had to do honor guard once, twice, several times. It's boring.
That was so majestic.
You didn't even go that far. We'll give it to you. Oh my God! I just felt hands and I was like, oh, what's happening? The real Bushmaster.
I like it. That's good.
That was good. That was good.
I like the three wise men right here. Except for we're not wise at all.
Daniel the Wise, Carlos the Dark Lord, and Mario.
Mario.
Well, this video is fully loaded with clips.
Wait! Wait, pump it up and shoot it! Shoot it out!
3, 2, 1.
That's actually kind of cool. Check it out. I got this right here.
We have a spot for it.
Let's go.
What's the magic word, cuz?
Now.
Nah, cuz!
Oh.
That's not the magic word. What's the
Carlos
magic
starting
word?
to stand up for himself.
Now.
Whoa!
Hold on. What's the magic word, cuz?
Please?
You got it. You got it, B.
Yeah, right there.
That was the coolest thing you've ever done.
Yes.
Well, I guess you could say this video shot well. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you're hooked into this one, because it was really fun.
You gotta put a little more bodily convulsion into it.
Come on, guys.
Power up, Mario. Power up.
Hold that if I had something to say.
Power up!
I haven't seen you.
Ah! All right, that was my Super
Yeah, he
Saiyan
didn't
form.
even- He didn't even go Super Saiyan,
That
man.
was okay. Hold
Even
up.
if you were.
Come on, power! That
If
wasn't.
this neck vein doesn't pop out when you do it, I'm so
Nigel,
unsatisfied.
Nigel. Show him how it's done.
I don't know how to do it.
Just do it.
How you do it?
You just
Pull up
let it all out.
Pull up on all your manly strength.
I'm a man today.
Dip inside. Just let it
I'm
all
a
out.
man today. I gotta poop. Oh
Yes! Oh no.
You break everything.
Yeah!
This the people's champ.
Let's go!
This Carlos. He the people's champ. What you gotta say? What you gotta say? This is my microphone. What you gotta say?
For the small people, as the small people.
What you gotta say?
Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. Probably.
All right, you guys, that was a lot of fun.
Wow.
And we're really upset about the fish breaking
Do you smell that?
on the first. What?
Smells fishy.
Yeah, but seriously, hey, Sportsman's Warehouse, you guys are seriously incredible. Let me just tell you guys, you need to go to your Sportsman's Warehouse. This is not sponsored. I need to say that right now, but they're just really cool people. It's
Carlos,
just
you
like-
missed out on a very good story.
Yeah, they're really cool there. So if you have a Sportsman's Warehouse near you, go check it out. And until then, subscribe, like, leave a comment below. You can follow him on Instagram at Nickel Jones, at GabeCrew01, at Fetty Potter, at Carlos Lasher _24, at Feisty Cadaver, at Mario SB95, and at Uzi Walker. Wow. Jeez.
First try.
Woo!
No stumbling, no nothing.
Oh, no, I did mess it up. It's at ican'tswitchflip.edu. We also have a Skate Everything Wars playlist, so if you enjoyed this episode and want to see us go to more stores and do some more shopping and literally go to every store you can possibly imagine, and if you can find a store we have not been to, leave it in a comment below and we will go through those comments, we'll read them all, and we will figure out what store to go to next. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, please subscribe, like, and leave that comment below. We'll see you in tomorrow's video. Boom.